Got that filter light on your refrigerator. Got to change the filter. We'll show you how. Got the replacement one. You can get that on Amazon real cheap and easy. The filter's up here in the top. First thing, you're gonna open this little hatch. You pull on the bottom of it. Open that up, pull the old filter out. This filter has been in here since 2022. So that at this point is 3 years. And the refrigerator will tell you when the filter needs to be replaced. It'll tell you that over here on the ice maker. And so we got the new one. Let's take a look. Ordered this new one on Amazon. So I went ahead and ordered the real one. We'll put the link down below for you. And the funny thing is they make such a big deal on the wrapping and also on the filter about how important it is to read the instructions, which are not listed anywhere on this filter. So we're gonna read them to you here. Step-by-step instructions. This is from Whirlpool. Number 1, locate the water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner of your refrigerator, where we just showed you. Lift the filter door up, pull the filter out and discard it. Open your new filter and remove the protective coverings from the O-rings. Make sure the O-rings are still in place after the cover has been removed. When inserting the new filter into the slot, make sure the arrow is pointing upward. Do not force the water filter. If it does not slide in easily, rotate it until the notches are properly aligned with the grooves. Step 6, push the filter door closed so it snaps in place. Step 7, once your filter is replaced, run 4 gallons of water through the line to properly flush the new filter. Then reset the filter light. Ugh, don't want to drink that one. I'm just gonna do 8 of these cups. Okay, so we've run all that water through it, and then if your filter warning is on, you can hold this down. Filter reset, hold for 3 seconds, hold that down. It will turn off your filter light. And with that, we have replaced the filter on this Whirlpool refrigerator. They say you're supposed to replace it every 6 months. Like I said, it'll also give you the warning light. We dropped the link down below. If you need one of these filters, go ahead and pick one up and you can get it replaced in about 5 minutes.